Everything is so much more clear now. All these mountains of appliances and everything, it's gone. So yeah, it's feeling more like a home. So yeah, it's still need to get some proper bed coverings and all these things, but at least and the curtains are coming. I think the curtains are ordered. So yeah, we're getting somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, this is the bathroom. So yeah, I think I've seen I've overdone this one. It's just really nice to finally be able to start. Yeah, I just, these cabinets are going to come next year. They take quite a lot of time to design a proper closet according to Yarina, the designer. So I think in the spring, and they're quite expensive too, so it'll take me till spring to get the money for that. But yeah, it's really, compared to last year, this is really something. Yeah, this is really quite an achievement, So we only have this bookshelves or TV shelf will come in January. I've already paid for it, and I think she already had the design for this. It's quite simple. It's quite a simple setup, just to hold the TV and some books and some decorations. And then the sofa will come here. That should come in January. That's already been ordered and paid. So they're making it. I don't know, it takes so long to get things here. And then this box here is the rods for the curtains, so we just need the fabric. So pretty soon, it'll start becoming more and more like a home. But yeah, it's really happy now that this is turning out to be a good Christmas.